digital technology like Internet of Things, IoT, robotics, machine learning, artificial intelligence, mobile technology, wearable technologies, big data. I think this is very exciting.
You have to take ownership of your ISA section. You need to become the engine that will drive it forward. And it's up to you to decide how much time and effort you wish to invest in making a difference to your industry. Don't be a spectator. Be an active member of the community.
Well, we support ISA Thailand again this year. We learned from last year. This is good event. We can learn and we can share information to our customer, our partner, and we can exchange information.
As we would like to show the technology to the ISA customer, to show the product and the service solution to the industrial customer.
The world is changing. Digitalization is upon us. We cannot run away anymore. So we remind ourselves what drives us. We continue to deliver consistent, reliable, and sustainable results.